Hey everyone, I am Tenny Pilarazan with my co-author Dr. Loida Urbansuelo from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management at IRIS Manila, Philippines. Today, I would like to present a research entitled Employment Readiness of Hospitality Management Graduating Student at IRIS Manila School Year 2024-2025. The study examines how prepared our graduating students are to enter the hospitality workforce, focusing on their skills, competencies, and overall readiness to meet industry expectation. We also explored areas where additional support could enhance their employability. This research aligned with several sustainable development goals, particularly SGD4, quality education, and SGD8, decent work and economic growth, as it emphasizes linking higher education with industry needs and ensuring graduates are empowered to contribute meaningfully to the workforce and society. As for the introduction, employment readiness refers to the development of skills, adaptability, and professional identity that enable individuals to secure and sustain with minimal support. It helps students clarify career goals, build confidence, and align their education with future job demands. And grounded in career construction theory, Sabicas 2013, the study highlights how students develop competencies such as communication, interpersonal, and technological skills while adapting to evolving job requirements. It emphasizes also that employment readiness is an ongoing process essential for graduates to remain competitive and thrive in the dynamic hospitality sector. As for the methodology, this study used a mixed method approach to evaluate employment readiness of graduating hospitality management student at IRIS Manila for school year 2024-2025. The quantitative part involved a survey that measured key employability skills such as entrepreneurial ability, communication, information technology, critical thinking, and human relation. Meanwhile, the qualitative part included interviews with selected fourth-year students to gain deeper insights into their level of readiness and challenges they face as they prepare to enter the workforce. A total of 100 students participated, 45 males and 55 females chosen through purposive sampling, ensuring that only those directly relevant to study were included. Data also were gathered using a researcher-made questionnaire composed of three main sections. First, the student demographic profile. Second, the assessment of employment readiness and the 5K skill areas. And the last one is the challenges they experience. Before the data collection, the researchers sought permission from the dean. So surveys were conducted face-to-face, followed by interview to obtain more detailed responses. For analysis, the data were interpreted using percentage distribution and weighted mean to determine the overall readiness level. A t-test was used to find out if there were any significant differences between male and female respondents. A Likert scale helped measure both the degree of readiness and level of challenges encountered by the students. For the result, the overall assessment of hospitality management graduating student at IRIS shows a high level of employment readiness with a graduated mean of 4.23. Among the skills measured, students perform strongest in human relations skills, 4.42, information technology skills, 4.27, and communication skills, 4.20. On the other hand, critical thinking abilities, 4.14, and entrepreneurial skills, 4.13, while still evident, were slightly lower. So this suggests that while students are confident in interpersonal and technical skills, there is a room to further strengthen decision-making, problem-solving, and entrepreneurial competencies to better prepare them for complex industry challenges. And then for the comparative assessment, male versus female, so the comparison between male and female students shows no significant differences in employment readiness across all skills area. Both groups demonstrated similar level of preparedness and entrepreneurial communication, IT, critical thinking, and human relation skills. This indicates that the program provides equitable learning opportunities ensuring that both male and female students are equally equipped for employment. Gender does not appear to influence skill development, reflecting a balanced approach in the curriculum and training provided by the hospitality management program. So for the problems encountered relative to the employment readiness, so overall students reported minimal problems affecting their employment readiness with a weighted mean of 2.08, indicating that these challenges are least encountered. The most notable, though it's still minor, issues include limited knowledge in business finance, marketing, and accounting, as well as difficulties in handling unexpected problems or stressful situations. For the qualitative insights, from interview support, these findings, students highlighted their strength in communication, teamwork, and IT skills gained through class project, presentation, and on-the-job training. At the same time, they recognized areas for growth such as entrepreneurial planning, advanced technology use, and managing high-pressure scenario, addressing this gap through targeted curriculum enhancement and practice exposure with further strengthen the readiness for the hospitality workforce. For the conclusion, so the study concludes that fourth-year hospitality management students at IRIS are generally well prepared for employment, particularly in communication, interpersonal, and basic technical skills. Quantitative results show high ratings in human relation, information technology, and communication, while qualitative insights highlighted students' confidence in teamwork, adaptability, and problem solving developed through classroom activities and on-the-job training. So despite this trend, the study identified areas for improvement, particularly in entrepreneurial skills, technological adaptability, and managing high-pressure situations. Students also noted minor challenges in accounting, conflict resolution, and using advanced technologies, these that significantly hinder their readiness. So enhancing the curriculum, providing more practical training, and offering targeted institutional support in these areas can further align academic preparation with industry expectation, equipping graduates to become resilient, adaptable, and competitive professionals in the hospitality sector. For the recommendation, number one, institutional leaders may review and enhance the curriculum with stronger focus on entrepreneurship technology and applied accounting, while building industry partnership to provide immersive training and support programs for holistic student development. Number two, faculty members are adopt case studies, role-playing, and scenario-based learning to strengthen critical thinking and decision-making, while integrating entrepreneurship and collaborating with industry experts to align lessons with workplace realities. And number three, industry partners must offer internship, mentorship, and training opportunities that expose students to real-world challenges while providing feedback on workforce needs to guide academic curriculum improvements. And the last one, students should actively participate in entrepreneurial projects, competitions, and training opportunities while developing adaptability, time management, and resilience to handle the pressure of the hospitality industry. This is our references that we utilized during our research for your reference. So once again, I'm Tani Pilorasan from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, IRIS, Manila, Philippines. Thank you. That's end my presentation. Thank you very much.